Behold how good and precious it is when the brethren gather together in unity. I want to personally invite you to EWTN's Free Family Celebration, Saturday, September 21st, 2019, Magness Arena, Denver, Colorado. Enjoy inspirational speakers and meet EWTN TV and radio hosts and authors you love, like Johnnette Williams, Father Mitch Pacwa, Dr. David Anders. Join us and be renewed in your faith and Christian community. Plan on arriving early so you can join with your media missionary brothers and sisters the night before the family celebration. That would be Friday, September 20th, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, for our national media missionary gathering at the same location as the family celebration. We're going to have a wonderful time, an instructive time of sharing and training together. I encourage you, bring your friends and your family members with you, both to the gathering and the family celebration. All the information you need is contained in this email, including registration information for these two incredible opportunities, family celebration and media missionary gathering the evening before. Please register today. Read through your email and do it. Now let's talk about some of the programs and events coming your way in July. After years of renovations, the Roman Catholic Diocese of Orange in California will celebrate their first Mass in their newly restored cathedral this month. EWTN will take you there for live coverage, complete coverage of the dedication of Christ Cathedral July 17th. If you're a fan of Lord of the Rings and Middle-earth, don't miss a new documentary, journeying through the Christian meaning of this beloved series. The premiere of J.R.R. Tolkien, An Unexpected Friend, is coming up on July 12th. And for you history buffs, The Crusades is a 4-part miniseries that tells the true story of the successes, the failures, the major events that are often misunderstood. Hear what really happened beginning July 22nd. Now do the work of an evangelist. Upload this information on email, Facebook, and Twitter. Read through your email thoroughly. Please register today. The link is there so that you can register for the family celebration and the media missionary gathering the night before. We want to see you there. Thanks for the great work you're doing as a missionary. God bless you and God bless all of your loved ones. Bye now.